Have you ever been deeply hurt by someone you trusted? Maybe they lied to you, betrayed your confidence, or treated your kindness as weakness. For a long time, you may have carried anger, disappointment, or even thoughts of revenge. But one day you realize something important. Not everyone deserves a second chance to hurt you. And sometimes, the most powerful response is to forgive them in silence and never speak to them again. Today, we'll explore why silent forgiveness can be one of the strongest acts of self-respect and emotional maturity. Part 1. Forgiveness does not mean reconnection. Many people believe that forgiveness means allowing someone back into their lives. But that's not always true. Forgiveness is about freeing your heart from bitterness. Reconnection is about rebuilding trust, and trust must be earned. You can forgive someone for your own peace while choosing not to give them access to your life again. Forgiveness heals you. Boundaries protect you. Both can exist at the same time. Part 2. Silence is sometimes more powerful than arguments. When someone hurts us, our first instinct is often to explain, argue, or make them understand our pain. But not everyone is willing to listen. Some people already know what they did. They simply don't care. In such situations, silence becomes powerful. Instead of wasting energy on endless explanations, you quietly walk away. You stop defending yourself. You stop seeking validation, and you allow your absence to speak louder than your words ever could. Sometimes the strongest message is no message at all. Part 3. Walking away protects your peace. Peace is one of the most valuable things in life. Yet many people sacrifice their peace trying to fix relationships that continue to hurt them. They keep giving chances. They keep hoping things will change. But some patterns never change. When someone repeatedly disrespects your feelings, walking away is not cruelty. It's wisdom. Choosing distance from toxic behavior doesn't make you cold-hearted. It makes you emotionally healthy. Protecting your peace is not selfish. It's necessary. Part 4. Silent forgiveness shows emotional strength. Anyone can stay angry. Anyone can hold grudges. But it takes real strength to forgive. Not because the other person deserves it, but because you deserve freedom. Silent forgiveness says, I refuse to carry this pain any longer. It means you're no longer allowing someone's actions to control your emotions. You release the burden. You learn the lesson, and then you move forward. That's true emotional strength. Part 5. Not every chapter needs a reunion. Life teaches us many lessons through people. Some people stay, some people leave. And some people teach us exactly who we should never become. Not every relationship is meant to be repaired. Not every goodbye requires a comeback. Sometimes a chapter ends for a reason. And the healthiest thing you can do is close the book and continue writing your story. With wisdom, with peace, and without resentment. Forgiving people in silence and never speaking to them again is not weakness. It's not revenge, and it's not hatred. It's choosing peace over conflict, growth over bitterness, and self-respect over unnecessary suffering. Remember this. You can forgive someone without giving them another chance to hurt you. Sometimes the greatest act of love is not for them, it's for yourself. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to reflect on the relationships that bring peace into your life and the ones that don't. Because protecting your peace may be one of the most important decisions you'll ever make.